Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, I'm Jason Buck. It's February 15th and it's well into 80 degrees here in Palos Verdes. And this is a brand new listing on Covecrest, top of the hill. And we got a great view. I'm looking at Catalina over here, and all this ocean, Santa Barbara Island, sunsets, the Channel Islands. Wow. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,200 square feet. Now lots over 8,000. It's all flat back here. Really like that. A little bit of side yard. Nice big flat area. Killer view. From the front yard, you can actually look down to the El Segundo and the beach up towards Venice and such. The front of the house, there's a 3-car garage. Front yard. A PV stone here at the entrance. Stepping on in. Tile entryway here. So here's the living room. A little bit of stone here. I think they probably covered the rest of this up. Looks like it. This moves into your dining room, which has a good view. And then on into the kitchen. Now they put new granite in here. They did some kitchen work. Cushion close. The kitchen's not too bad. I mean, so from the stove here, if you took the wall down, you'd actually have a view out that way. It'd be nice. So we are back to the front. And then there is a bedroom down here below. Yeah, bay window here. They did skim the ceiling here, and now we have this bath. Somewhat upgraded. Shower bedroom. And then you have direct access to the garage. Little side room here in this. We're heading upstairs. Come into the bath here. It's a full bath. And then we have, it looks like 3 bedrooms up here. There's cottage cheese on the ceiling. The windows look to be somewhat updated. Good view. You can see Catalina. And then there's those mountains over there. Good view. Wow, it's really bright. And here's our master. Oh my gosh, they totally put the closet on the wrong spot. I mean, why doesn't this have a killer view? I'm really disappointed. This is the corner of the house. I mean, gosh, that is crazy. So there was some upgrades here, you know. I did some crown. I think they just fixed stuff up that they were frustrated with. But here's the real deal again, the view out the back. A lot of potential here. And that's where the master is. Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.